breath of every living thing. Your ruach-wind moves through galaxies and grains of dust alike. From the heights of heaven to the depths of the sea, your voice resounds. Let everything that has breath praise Yahweh. The sun proclaims it with fire, the moon echoes it in silver. Mountains and valleys answer with thunder and stream. The beasts cry in their own tongue, and the children dance upon the ground, and the elders lift trembling hands that once wielded judgment, but now only bless. You have gathered all time into one song. Past becomes present, and the future bows to your glory. The nations join the chorus, and even the stars seem to keep time to your heartbeat. Let my life breath be one clear note among them. Let love be its melody and joy its rhythm. Teach me to live as music lives. Begin